Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a tutorial on a look that I did yesterday, that I really like. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place, the Nubian 2 palette, which looks like this. And these are what the colors look like inside. They're very pretty. And also I have news for anyone who's been watching my videos for a while. My boyfriend and I actually got a puppy. We got a puppy, huh? Oh, this is Locian, and Locian means not Elvish. It means dragon in Elvish, and we decided to name him that because we thought it was really cool. And he's so little, he looks like a little dragon. Hey, look at you. So he's gonna be sitting right here on the side, playing with his toy while he watches me do my makeup. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoot you guys in as close as I can, just so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. And if you see me glancing down to my right, it's because I'm just making sure that he's okay and he's not doing anything he's not supposed to, especially to my makeup, because my makeup is very important to me. So yeah. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna focus on the eyes. I'm mostly just gonna show you how to do the look on my left eye. It looks the right to you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, my eyeshadow on this side, just so you guys can see better on what it looks like. And I'm sorry for the lighting change. I'm using natural lighting, but it just, like, every time I move it looks very weird like that because my phone doesn't focus like a camera does. So I'm really sorry about that. And if you hear a little jiggling, that's Locian playing. I'm gonna take this color right here called Morocco, and I'm gonna dip into that. Not too much, just kind of a good amount. Top off the excess. Okay, so I'm just gonna be putting this color on the outer part of my eye in the crease and just building it up. Oh my god, I'm sorry for the horrible lighting. I don't have good lighting. So I'm just going to be putting it here and building it into my crease with circular and like windshield wiper motions. It took me so long to finish that sentence. I'm so sorry. Okay, so for that color, I'm done with that. And now I'm going to go in with the color, or with the shade. I'm not sure how to pronounce this name, but I think this is how you say it. I'm going to go in with the color Jezebel, which is like the plummy purple color. And I'm going to be taking this AOA Studio E128 brush. It looks like this. It's kind of like a small, fluffy, like, dome brush. Is that what it's called? So I'm going to take that color Jezebel with this brush. And like the other colors, well, I'm just going to lightly tap in the pan and tap off the excess. Why do I keep saying excess? I don't know why. And I'm just going to start right here on my outer corner. Start building it into my crease with circular motions. I literally just did this look yesterday because I was gonna film a video, which is the declutter video, which would probably be going up before this video, this tutorial. So if you guys want to go check that out, then it'll be linked in the description below, or you can just go to my channel and it'd be the recent video that I've uploaded. Yeah, but I did this look because I wanted to do like a very, I don't know, kind of summery kind of look for the video. And this is what I came up with. I mean, it's not the most summery look, but I like it, so yeah. Now I'm just going to be going back with that brush that I used before when I put down the transition color, and I'm going to go just blend the two colors together. And I'm not putting a heavy hand, so I'm just blending these two together. You can also always deepen the outer corner if you would like. It's also personal preference on how dark you want the outer corner to be. I just like how it looks kind of like almost like a berry color. I just think it's very pretty, so yeah, that's what I like. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the color Zuri right here. This nice, like, not champagne-y, but not like white color. It's like a very light champagne, I think it looks like to me, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on right here on my inner corner, kind of up until like almost to the middle of my eyelid with my finger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swirl that around in my finger. Oh my god, this lighting makes me look freaking crazy. And I'm just gonna take my finger and pat it. And honestly, I don't think this color needs any, like, to be put down with a wet brush or a wet finger, just because it's already very pretty on its own. So, and it depends as well on how intense you want it to be. I like how it looks now, so I'm not gonna be adding any more to it, just because I like how it looks now. So yeah, so I'm just patting them where that shade with like the metallic shade and the like plummy purple kind of me, and I'm just tapping that on top just because it kind of mixes it already, so you don't have to go back and blend it out and make it look like, get rid of the harsh line like in most looks you have to do, because sometimes you do have to go back and fix that. Okay, and now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to be taking this smaller AOA Studio E132 brush, which looks like this, which is way smaller, and I'm going to be taking the color, I'm going to mix the color Jezebel and Morocco, which are the two colors we used in our eyelids. And I'm just going to try and mix them as much as I can. And I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back to finish off the rest of the look. Okay, so now that I've finished my eyes and my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And the mascara I'm going to be using is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and I just have this little sample from it, and so far that I've been using it, I've been using it for a while, and I really like it. It makes my lashes look big and long, and it just makes them look very nice. Now that when I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to be using this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush Mini in the shade Party, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've already hit pan on it. I think it's very pretty. It looks very beautiful on the cheeks. So yeah, I really like this blush. And I'm just gonna be taking this, the cream. Is it the creme or the cream shop? I don't know which way it's pronounced, but I'm gonna be taking this brush right here. It's just very nice and fluffy. And I'm just gonna be dipping into my blush. And just applying that on my cheeks. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm gonna be using is this e.l.f. Baked highlighter in the shade Gems. And this is what it looks like. This beautiful like gold, like almost rose gold copper highlighter. And I'm gonna be using this Luxie 522 brush. It's the tapered highlighter brush, and it just looks like this. It's kind of like a, what's this called when they're like kind of thin at the bottom and go fatter at the end? What is that called? I forgot what it's called, but this brush, and I'm just gonna be taking some of the highlighter, tapping off the excess, and applying that to the tops of my cheeks. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick on my lips, and the lipstick that I'm gonna be using is the Revlon Super Lustrous. I can't talk. I don't know why. Lipstick in the shade 671 Mink. And this is what it looks like. It's kind of a dark color for this look, but it's more of like a, it doesn't come off as dark on the lips. So I think it's very pretty. And I'm going to go over that with the gloss, which I'll show you which one I'm going to be using right after I'm done applying the lipstick. I love this lipstick. So now to lighten up the lipstick, because it does look pretty dark on me right now, I'm going to be taking this MAC Cream Sheen Glass Lip Gloss in the shade Fashion Whim. And it just looks like this. This was from a gift set that my cousin had bought me a long time ago. And I still have this one because there was one in the little set. It was a set of 4 like mini lip glosses, and I don't remember the name of it, but I was so obsessed with it that I like finished it in like a month. And this one I hadn't used a lot, so I'm gonna use this now. I don't really know if this lipstick really goes with this look, but I like it, so I'm just gonna roll with it. And the very last thing that I'm gonna do is set my face with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist spray. I got this in my last BoxyCharm, in the July BoxyCharm, which if you want to see what I got and what they sent out, you can go ahead and watch the video before this one. If you want to go ahead and see what I got in my BoxyCharm, because there was 2 different things you could get besides this Tarte spray. So yeah, I'll link that below as well, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you would want, or if you would like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. And this one I'm pretty sure you can use before your makeup, like skincare, and after, like, to set your face. So I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna shake it because it says to shake it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Spritzer is my favorite because I feel like it doesn't evenly display the spray. Is that what I'm trying to say? Distribute the spray evenly. So yeah, I'm gonna go over it again. Okay, so I'm just gonna let my face set and dry, and then I'll be right back to finish off the video.